Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a hatching chick. Take a pencil and draw a vertical line. Now draw a half egg by drawing a curve to the left and a curve to the right of this line. Draw a horizontal line on top and add a zigzag line. Draw the top of the egg in a similar way but tilted to the left. Add a curve for the head, a pointy beak and an oval for the eye. Draw some pieces of shell on the ground. Take a black marker and trace your drawing. Make sure you don't draw the construction lines of the egg shell. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the egg beige and the chick yellow and orange. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.